How to create WeChat account on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create WeChat account on iPhone. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, make sure that you have downloaded WeChat from App Store, and once you have downloaded WeChat, you need to simply go ahead and tap on it to open it. Here, if you have already made your account, you need to tap on login, but we are going to create an account, so we'll tap on sign up. Now you can sign up with mobile, you can sign up with Apple or with your Facebook. I'm simply going to sign up with Apple, so you can choose your option from here. And once you have signed up, you need to go ahead and enter your full name over here. Then you need to go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you have done that, you need to enter your password over here. Now, once you have done everything, you need to simply go ahead and tap on the terms and services option over here. And once you do that, you need to tap on accept and continue. You need to go ahead and read all the privacy policy carefully. And once you have done, you need to tap on I have read and acknowledged the privacy policy. And once you have done that, you need to tap on next. Now, you need to tap on start for the security verification. You need to go ahead and clear the CAPTCHA. And once you have done that, you need to invite another user to scan the QR code via WeChat app to help you complete the registration. And you can simply request any of your friends to scan the QR code. And once they have done it, your WeChat account will be now created. And that's it. You now know how to create WeChat account on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.